Hi, myself Satlam Amar. Can I know your name and age?
Dilip 22.
Okay, so today I am going to perform eye examination. So, do you have any prescribed glasses?
No.
Okay, good. So, as a part of eye examination, I am going to just you have to read the chart. Just try to read as much as possible. Okay. So, just close your one eye and try to read as much as possible.
E, F, P, T, O, Z, L, P, E, D, P, E, C, F, D, E, D, F, C, Z, P, F, E, L, O, P, Z, D. That's it.
Okay. Now do with your other eye alternatively.
E, F, P, T, O, Z, L, P, E, D, P, E, C, F, D, E, D, F, C, E, P, F, E, L, O, P, E, D. That's it.
Okay, good. As a part of visual acuity, your visual acuity is 20 by 25. So it is normal. Now I am going to perform visual field. So I am going to wiggle my fingers. Just tell me when you see the wiggling, okay?
Okay. 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 Okay.
Okay, right. Now I am going to inspect your eyeballs. Just relax. Do you feel any pain?
No.
Okay. Now just look up. So your sclera is visible, your conjunctiva is pink. So now I am going to inspect your pupillary. So I am going to perform direct pupillary reflex.
Okay.
So just look far. So now I am going to move the light rapidly.
Okay.
Just look far. So this is consensual of light reflex. So now I am going to perform corneal reflex. Just look far. Okay. Now I am going to check for convergence. Just look far. Now look at my tip of the finger. Okay. Now I'm going to check for extraocular muscle movement. So just follow my finger. Okay. So now I'm going to use ophthalmoscope. So just close your right eye with right hand. Okay. Now close your left eye with left hand. Okay. Now I can see red light. I can see your nerves and arteries and veins and the optic disc. So your eye is all right. So thank you. Hi, myself Satlam Amar. Can I know your name and age?
Vishal 21.
So today I am going to perform ear examination. I might touch your ear. Is it okay with you?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So just relax. I am going to inspect your ear auricles.
Okay.
So your ear are normal in size and no deformities. So just I am going to touch. If you feel any pain, just let me know. If you feel any pain,
No.
okay. So no tenderness. So I am going to perform some tests. So first test is whisper test. I am going to whisper some words. So you have to repeat.
Okay. H2O, CO2.
Okay. So now I'm going to perform Weber test. So I'm going to use tuning fork. I'm going to place the tuning fork on your forehead. So just tell me when you hear vibrations.
Yeah, I can.
Okay. So I'm going to perform Rene's test. So I'm going to place the tuning fork behind your ear. So just tell me when you stop hearing this vibration.
Okay. Yeah.
Can you hear any vibration?
Yeah.
So your air conduction is greater than bone conduction. So now I'm going to perform otoscopy. So I'm going to use otoscope to see your ear canal and eardrum. So just relax.